What's up, guys? It's Bill from HoloModels RC. Today I brought with me my F-22 profile that I made from doubled up foam board. I downloaded the plans from tomhe.net. It's a mid-mounted pusher, 2836 motor, 1500 kV, 2200 4S battery. Mid-mounted pushers are always very loud. For those of you who've never flown one, they're highly maneuverable because you always have air going over them control surfaces. So in retrospect, I wish I would have not doubled up the entire airplane because it's a little heavier than what I'd like, but it still flies amazing. You know, with that tiger paint scheme, that orange and black, it's very easy to see when it starts getting dark out or just during the day, anytime. This thing's a lot of fun to fly. It calls for a 2212 motor, you know, running on 3S with a 6-inch prop. But I essentially have a C-pack in it, a 2836, 1500 kV, so it just spins a little faster. It actually runs pretty warm, but I haven't had a problem with it overheating. I like to fly this airplane like flat out most of the time. These mid-mounted pushers, you can fly them almost anywhere. They're so maneuverable. I've had smoke bombs on this airplane in the past, which was kind of neat. So the bottom's got smoke all over it, soot. I literally probably have 80 flights in this airframe. Haven't taken it out in a couple months. I imagine my motor's pretty warm from just running this thing flat out the whole time almost. Alright, I'm going to get ready to bring this thing in. It's getting dark anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. My name is Bill from HoloModels RC. If you liked the video, please hit the like button or subscribe to future videos. I'm going back around. Yeah, I didn't want to walk that far. Anyway, Bill from HoloModels RC. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button or subscribe. Talk at you next time.